What if all cars had a single light in the center? Strange? Then why do we only have one light in front of our bicycle? Introducing LUMMA, a 360-degree light system that shows your true width while cycling. It combines all the lights needed on your bike: front lights, rear lights, and side lights, all integrated into the bicycle's grips. 3 different lights at each end of your handlebar. Never worry again about leaving your lights home or having them stolen. The grips feature a solid core for easy installation and lock-on rings for secure fastening. LUMMA meets all the legal requirements, even in countries with strict regulations such as Denmark or Norway. Though it makes you visible, LUMMA itself is almost invisible. It has a compact, elegant design that does not interfere with the looks of your bike. The body is made of aircraft-grade aluminum, the same alloy used for helicopters and airplanes. It's tough, almost indestructible. We've paid special attention to the surface finish. Anodized, ultrasonic cleaned, and hand-brushed for a premium look. Finally, each set comes with built-in lithium batteries that are easily charged through a standard micro USB port. We love bicycles, and we love to cycle. We want to have a product that is not just good, but one that advances the frontiers of visibility and traffic safety. Help us spread the word and save the world. Get a LUMMA for someone you care for. It's not just a light, it's all you need to see and be seen.
In eyewear.
The first is always the winner. The second is the first loser.
After launching the first Control Eyewear product, the Control 1, we received so many requests from the crowdfunding community for a new design with a full frame and a new color. And here it is, the Control Cross Country.
I'm amongst the 10 best in the world in extreme mountain biking, called the marathon mountain bike. The visibility plays a big role in every sport, and especially mountain biking. This new eyewear can really make the difference. I mainly ride in rough terrain, and it's really important to have your eyes on the road. If you go fast downhill and you don't see shit, you have to brake fast and you can't really do anything with the normal eyewear. So I'm really enthusiastic about this product. Using the automatic mode makes me really feel like I'm more in control. I really feel safe going downhill with high speed and entering tunnels, forests, or any danger coming up.
Control Eyewear uses the fastest responding and most energy efficient technology available. The disruptive and patented electronic tint-on-demand technology was designed for the US Special Forces. It offers instantaneous adapting tint within 0.1 seconds. Control your tint manually with a simple touch of a button, or put it on the automatic mode to change automatically, depending on the surrounding light. The rechargeable battery will last for about 70 hours. With Control Eyewear, you control your vision. Now available for any athlete or outdoor adventurist who wants to enhance their athletic performance.
Conventional spokes reflectors. Heavy, bulky plastic. They let you down when they get dirty and look like this. If you're looking for something better, meet FLECTR. FLECTR is a foil-based spokes reflector of a new generation. It combines zero-weight design with aerodynamic efficiency and high-grade reflection. FLECTR will literally start to glow when hit by headlights. We are passionate cyclists. We simply love our bikes. It was our goal to create a brand new type of reflector that we would be thrilled to use on our own bikes. Now, after a year of material sourcing, evaluation, 3D modeling, and testing under real conditions, FLECTR has become the ultimate component for your bike. It's almost weightless. Compared to all other reflectors, its aerodynamic efficiency is unmatched. And, due to the high resilience of its composition, FLECTR is nearly indestructible.
crap. No way around it. This sucks. But it's not the end of the world, because I got this little thing, Patchnride. It's a new tool that makes having a flat tire suck way less. It's a quick and permanent solution to fix just about any flat, and here's the real kicker, you don't even have to take off the wheel. I used to be just like you, shelling out big bucks for tubes and tires regardless of how bad the damage was. Occasionally, I'd even try it on my own. Maybe you do too if you're into that whole self-punishment thing. Not the cleanest job in the world either. Basically, I murdered my bike. Let me show you how it works. Remove the cap from the Patchnride tool, insert it directly into the hole, pull back the slider, then push forward, remove the tool, then pump your tire full of air, and you're up and running, or rolling. And Patchnride works for all types of tires. Road bikes, mountain bikes, cruisers, kids bikes, clencher and tubular tubes, even jogging stroller tires. Pretty much anything with an inner tube. Patchnride's cleaner for the environment too. With Patchnride, you reduce your carbon footprint by patching instead of tossing. That's pretty great. Getting a flat tire sucks, but Patchnride makes it suck less. Patchnride.